This is a tutorial for how to share a Google Doc. So this could be used when you are working on a group project or collaborating. It's easy to share a doc so that everybody can put all the information there. So this is what I have up here, Screencast example. So say this is the document you're going to share. You'll go up to this box over here where it says share and click. And here you can type in the emails of the people that you will be collaborating with. So the people in your group, I will just type in someone@gmail.com. And if I was going to share it with that person, you need to add in here if this person can edit, can comment, or can only view. So if you're just sharing a document that you just want other people to look at, make sure you put that setting here. But if you want it to be a collaborative document, make sure you push can edit up here. Now if you want to just send the link, you can also click up here. We'll get the shareable link. You can copy and paste, and you can send that in an email or any other form to the person that you want to share it with. So you can either type in emails here, or you can share a link here. And when you have that all set up, you can just press send, and that will send it to the person that you want to share it with. And that is how you share a Google Doc.